What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. This Pepe 2.0 chart will reveal everything, guys. This Pepe 2.0 chart is one of the best charts I've seen. Shout out to all the TA experts in the Pepe 2.0 community. This chart right here is going to be great because it's showing where the future of Pepe 2.0 is going to, right? Where we're what's the destination, right? Because this is just going to be one of the first pit stops for Pepe 2.0 until we go even further, right? We're gonna check it out in this video, guys. We're gonna dive into it, so please be sure to watch until the end. If you hold Pepe 2.0, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now that we got my spiel out of the way, Pepe 2.0 down to 33%. It's down 33% at $24.2 million in market cap, $26 million in 24-hour trade volume. The volume is more than the market cap. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is, guys. 51.8% up for the volume right now. You guys can see right now would be a nice entry to get some exposure for Pepe 2.0. These are the days I'm buying. It's down 33%. Oh yeah, that's a nice entry. That's a nice time to get some exposure. Now obviously people are gonna be bearish saying it's over, what's going on. Did the same thing back here. It's sent, and you know, a lot of people thought it was over, then it came right back down. Let's take a look. Absolutely crushed it, came right back down to these levels, then crushed it to new all-time highs. The pattern could be playing out the same way once again. It could be forming a giant cup, right? This could be a giant cup and handle on the 1 hour chart, guys. This could be let me just make sure I draw this correctly. This could be one giant cup and handle to absolutely go crazy again, right? Now obviously I could be wrong. Again, this is a meme coin, so you know the volatility is through the roof, right? You'll never see volatility like this anywhere else, right? The volatility for meme coins are through the roof, but guess what? It goes both ways. It's to the upside or the downside. So if we see a bounce here for Pepe 2.0, it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be a great bounce because it did it once before. One bounce that absolutely sent. You know, it could come down some more from here. You know, the next support would be right down here at around the 10 to 50 million dollar market cap range, and then we see the bounce, or it could keep going lower from this point, right? But we'll see what happens. We're gonna keep an eye on it. But like I said, if it does bounce, it's gonna be a crazy bounce, man. It's gonna be insane, guys. So let's take a look from the Twitter. The Twitter got reinstated, or they got a new Twitter. Pepe 2.0 is never leaving. You know, they see me rolling, they hating. Pepe 2.0 going to the moon and then Mars. Pepe 2.0 takes everything to the extreme. I'll do whatever it takes. Money printer go right? Please send us a direct message, Matt Fury, when you have the opportunity. Okay, Pepe 2 have arrived to rectify the situation and provide everyone with a second chance. We have been informed about your non-payment on Pepe. We are prepared to address and resolve this matter. Okay, so you can see the Pepe 2 community leaders, right? Because you can't say it's the team because it's decentralized. The community leaders are doing something about this, right? With trying to reach out to the original creator of Pepe, which is Matt Fury, right? 56k views on that, man. Great stuff. Saw that KuCoin listing. Oh, so they did a look at this, some more news as well. Pepe 2.0 does a collaboration with Buzz Humanity, bringing back the smiles. Thanks so much for Pepe 2 for the privilege to do a proper charity and putting smile on the faces of the children in this little primary school here in Nigeria. Wow, may God bless the team and bless you all. Oh man, that's so sweet. That warms my heart, man. That really warms my heart to see that the community leaders of the project are giving back to charities, you know, to the less fortunate. That is awesome, man. Crypto has done, because of crypto and meme coins, there's been so many charitable donations that has been done, but people still don't want to wake up and, you know, be a part of crypto, because there's a lot of good that is being done through crypto. And you gotta give Pepe 2 props for this. This is something nice for, you know, investors alike. This is something you could share if you're talking about Pepe 2, man, because this is always something that is amazing. We are thankful and thrilled to be able to collaborate with We Are Buzz. Our mission is to change lives no matter where you are in the world. That's amazing, man. It's amazing the initiatives Buzz does for their community and the lives they change daily. And they did a Spaces recently as well. From ever since they got this Twitter back and running, they have been crushing it, man. Look at the memes, just constant memes. We have the biggest and loudest community in crypto. Nothing can stop us. Pepe 2.0 only getting stronger. Massive for the attack against Pepe 2. Why? Because we have the strongest community in crypto and people are envious. We're not going anywhere. Stay strong, friends. And this is the thing, right? That's another thing that I noticed with Pepe 2, is that the community is super based. That's what I look for in meme coins. When there's a very active community and there's constant tweets, constant people sharing on social media, influencers that are talking about the project that are much bigger than I am, it's a good sign for the project, man. It's a great sign. Pepe 2.0 is for the people. Will do whatever it takes to bring fairness and decentralization back into the space. I love these memes, man. I love these memes. I love these memes so much. This is the chart that I was talking about, though, guys. This chart, that's what I said. It happened once. It could happen again. This is from Holland Gemini. Pepe 2, first correction was 88%. Now we already dropped 77% with some sort of capitulation wick. After first correction, Pepe 2 moved up 15x. Expecting the same this time, considering Pepe 2 in talks with 2 major exchanges. More updates and announcements. Study the chart and you guys see it did it before, just like I said in my TA. It did it before. It made this huge swing to the downside and huge pop-up. It could be doing the same thing again. Huge swing to the downside and huge pop-up, right? As you guys can see, move up, huge swing to the downside. What do you say, 88% drop, and then boom, 15x, 16x move from here. It's doing the same thing again. 77% drop, huge swing back down, and then boom, huge swing back up. Right now, that could potentially happen, guys. So when I saw this chart, I was like, yep, this is exactly, you know, where my thought process is, right? So that target would be around another 13x from here, okay, from the 20 mil market cap range, 20 to 25 mil market cap range, another 12x from here. So, you know, a few $100 times 12. And then that's the thing, it may not stop there. It could do another swing after that, right? But obviously it's always smart to take profits. But this chart right here, it reveals a lot for the Pepe 2 community. From Maxi, GM, good days ahead and extremely important to stay focused. Pepe 2, facts. From high functioning rword.eth, Pepe 2 first dip prior to the rip, and the current dip is a larger pattern. So a larger dip equals and opposites. I expect us to find our bottom and bounce. That's exactly what I was saying, man. I could see my TA getting better, man. And I guess it's just because I'm looking at charts constantly over and over, man. I expect us to find our bottom and bounce to flip the long-term momentum over the positive again here soon. RSI is clean for a run. My body's ready. Pepe 2. And that's the thing, is like I said, saw that huge retrace, then the huge bounce. Now we're seeing another huge retrace. Are we gonna get that bounce? That's what I'm looking for. We get that bounce from here, that's gonna be a nice entry. That's why I say always buy the red. If I was gonna get exposure to Pepe 2, now would be my chance, man. Now would be my opportunity right here in the red. Saw that huge capitulation wick right here. Pepe did the same thing. Pepe did a huge crash down, and then it started to bounce, and then it went to $1 billion market cap, 1.7 billion. Is the same thing gonna happen here for Pepe 2.0? You just never know, guys. Don't rule out anything in crypto. Dyna BRC, thanks for the dip, Pepe 2. Now we have a very healthy looking chart. Can't always go up forever, you gotta retrace. Lots of buyers are out, and that was necessary as we're creating a high average price for the token holders who will be taking profits at a higher level, bullish, right? So that's exactly what that's exactly what I'm saying. They got people that bought in up here. No, that's not right, because now you had to write it down 77%, or you had to panic sell to, you know, not panic sell, but you had to sell to save your investment, right? These are the areas you buy. If it keeps dropping, oh well, that's why you DCA, right? You don't buy in your whole bag right away. If you got $300 to $500 set aside for Pepe 2, you're gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna put $300, put $100 in, wait some days, wait some days, 3-4 days. Is it dropping still? Another $100. It's all your average going down. And then if it does bounce, which I think it will, I think the community and everything that's going on for the project super based, so I do think Pepe 2 will bounce from here. When it does bounce, you lowered your average, so when it starts to crush it like this, you're one of the people that are selling, taking, you know, not selling out your whole bag, but taking profits on the way up when it, you know, curves around and does another huge run up like that, right? That's my thought process with it, guys. And yeah, that's the best way to play it, man. Always buy red, don't buy the green days. Don't be buying these green days, man. These are the days you buy down here, man, or, you know, on the start of the uptrend, the start of, so say for example, let's clear this out. Say it starts to move up. Okay, you bought the breakout, no problem, because that's what you bought, the breakout, it keeps crushing it, boom, you're in profit. But don't be the guy that's buying up here when it does bounce and go up there. You're gonna get wrecked, man. Like here, the people that bought, they had to sell out in these levels right here, man. Had to sell out at those levels. I should have drew arrows. Had to sell out to, you know, sell out. And they're gonna have people that sell just before the bounce, right? They're gonna have people that sell just before the bounce happens, right? Don't be one of those people. Don't buy tops, man. Please protect your investments. Now when it's red and everybody say, oh, it's dead, it's buy the FUD, buy the fear. That's when you buy. Now is when you get some exposure on Pepe 2. And then, like I said, it bounces from here. You take profits on the way up. You know, you take profits on the way up. Or if you're just gonna diamond hand it going into the bull cycle, no problem, because guess what? You got a great entry. All the people that bought, you know, the original Pepe at 50 to 100 mil market cap, they're still in profit right now, so they could just hold until the bull cycle, right? So same thing here for Pepe 2. As long as, you know, everything remains base for it going into the next bull cycle, yeah, man, now it's a great entry, right? Now it's a very good entry. So guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, make it go viral, share it all over Twitter, share it with the rest of the Pepe 2 community, and also join the Patreon. First link in the description. Exclusive content only on the Patreon. Let's get these gains together. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, catch you in the next.